If you're an adventurer, you know the anxiety that comes with running out of water in the middle of a tour. The last thing you want is dehydration when you're miles away from home. Fontus is a self-filling water bottle that allows you to plan your adventures without having to worry about heavy water loads or where to find the next river or the next gas station. Hi, I'm Christoph and I'm the inventor of Fontus. I wanted to create a bottle that would never run dry. For me, it's like magic because out of thin air and sun, we are bringing this bottle to fill itself with drinkable water. We created a compact, small and efficient technology, completely independent and easy to use.
Hi, I'm Bojan, I'm an electrical engineer. We developed a self-sufficient system that uses a cooler to condense the moisture from the air.
Hi, I'm Brian, in charge of engineering and development. Fontus comes in two variations. The Fontus Ride is designed for bikers and uses the airstream to press air into the bottle. The Fontus Aero is the second version and is a standalone unit that does not need to be in motion to function.
We've been working on Fontus for a couple of years now here at the University of Applied Arts in Vienna. And our efforts have been rewarded already with several design awards. We would like you to become a part of this adventure and support us so that we can continue with the development of Fontus and be able to prepare it for production.
Join us in making this vision come to life.
Thanks for believing in Fontus.
Hi, I'm Eugene.
And I'm Vladimir. We are founders of Evapolar.
At some point, we've all felt uncomfortable due to the hot weather. Even if room is equipped with air conditioner, the cooling engine often can't cope.
And of course, each of us wants to set the temperature comfortable for himself.
We discussed this and came up with the idea of creating a personalized solution. We created Evapolar, the world's first portable air conditioner designed for personal use. It can be used to enjoy cool and moist air exactly where you need it.
Evapolar achieves its cooling effects the same way air is cooled in nature, by water evaporation, creating this natural breeze that cools your body gently. It's a very safe and reliable cooling principle, unlike the one used in conventional air conditioners that can easily give you a cold or flu.
As the major element in making Evapolar, we used the specially developed high-tech evaporative material. It consists of mineral nanofibers. Although it has a simple look, the inner structure is complex. This material allowed us to take a fresh look on a conventional air conditioner and exclude anything that makes it bulky. It was also very important for us to develop a material that is not only safe to use, but absolutely eco-friendly.
Evapolar was made to naturally fit the interior design, be it in the office, at home, or any other place you need it. Think of your personal comfort here. Finally, you can get rid of things that are cluttering up your space and control climate around you by yourself.
Evapolar is very easy to use. All you need to do is to fill the removable water tank, select the desired power, and relax as you feel cool within a short time. It is noiseless and does not vibrate. This will help you to focus on what is really important for you.
In today's world, technology can serve people in simple and invisible things. Over the last year, we've done a lot, making our way from the idea to the finished product. And now we need your help to succeed in the next step.
All you need to do is to select the pledge, and don't forget to tell your friends about it. Join us, spread the word. Enjoy personal coolness!
So we just got the elevator out of the box right here. Pretty cool. It came in like 2 pieces, the main part and the handle. So we're a production company in Los Angeles called The Idea Factory. We're currently shooting a show for HGTV, and we're gonna use this in the next couple of days. So first thing is the handle, which is kind of cool. First thing you notice actually is it's very lightweight. Weighs almost nothing, this thing. We get a handle, the handle goes, just slides right in. There, handle slides right in. So it's easy, more collapsible. You can see it's kind of small, can fit into a small suitcase. But here's the cool thing. So, with just a couple flips, this bad boy actually gets pretty long. And we actually already kind of tested it out a little bit and realized that if you're about my height, which is 5'9", you can actually get about a 10-foot jib out of it. So, there's a couple ways to use this. So if you see the handle, it's good because it kind of gives you 2 points of support. Back here, and then on the hand. And because it feels so light, it feels like you can just kind of go very quickly. But you soon realize that with these 2 supports, it's actually pretty stable. So you can see you can start pretty low with it. And as you go higher, it takes a little to get used to it. And as it goes higher, you can actually see you get a pretty big radius on this thing, a lot bigger than you actually see in the video. So if you're going to come up from behind something, you can see you start here, and you come up kind of high. But you know the cool thing about it is, it's like having almost like a 10-foot jib, but broken down into what would you say that is, about 1.5 feet, which is kind of cool. You're going to need a lot of other GoPro ends to this, because you're going to be wanting to turn it different ways and stuff like that. But everybody who has a bunch of GoPros has those, so I think it'll work pretty good. We have actually all our GoPros are on location, so we're going to try it out in a couple days when we're filming our new show. But that's it. That's our first thought. Actually, the first thought everybody thinks is pretty cool, and at the price point that Carrie's selling it at, I think it's pretty good. So there you go. This is our first look at the new, what's it called? Elevate. I think we like it. Guys, we like it?
Yay!
We like it. Okay, cool. Our next video will be a video where we're actually using it on our new show that's going to be on HGTV. Cool. Thanks.
Has this ever happened to you? You finally drag yourself out of bed and you look like you're an extra from The Walking Dead. All you need is a cup of coffee. But guess what? There's no coffee. How about this? You're training for the Olympics. You need that extra jolt of energy to make it through your workout, but it's hard to work out with second-degree burns and a concussion. And this? You're at one of these fancy, overpriced coffee shops that always spells your name wrong. And the line you're standing in to place your order is never ending. Hello, friend. Let me ask you something. Do you need a pick-me-up without the put-me-downs? Snap on Jewel and satisfy your caffeine fix. Feel better? Dance on, my good man. Dance on. Jewel bracelets have a slot in the bottom for energy patches that contain caffeine and vitamins. Now, I'm sure you're asking yourself, do these bracelets work? Well, let me turn the question back to you. Does a one-legged duck swim in circles? Yeah, they do. Caffeine is administered through the skin. Why? It's fat soluble. That's how it gets past your blood-brain barrier. Who says chemistry can't be sexy? Booyah! These revolutionary patches administer caffeine transdermally and last 4 hours. The patches are also stylish stickers for all you fashionistas out there. Give me blue steel! Yeah! Woo! I know what you're thinking to yourself. That sexy guy on the screen. I like coffee. I don't want to give it up. Well, let me give you something to think about. The next time you're pulling an all-nighter, blasting your way through a final 18th century pianist paper in a caffeine-fueled frenzy, only to hit a wall. Hard. Juul administers caffeine evenly throughout the day so you don't crash. It can also help you avoid crashing from that triple espresso, so guess what? You don't have to give up your favorite black treat. The only issue you'll end up having is that you'll wish you bought more. That's why Juul ships to your home, so you never have to worry about running out. Juul is always there to take care of your need for caffeine. So carpe diem, seize the day, make your life extraordinary. Give that special someone the gift that keeps on giving, or give Juul for yourself and start living today. May the Juul be with you. Party on, Darth.
Do you remember the first time you rode a bike? The places you would go on your new wheels? But fast forward a few years, and somewhere between your first date, traffic jams, and global warming, bikes just don't feel the same anymore.
This is Flux Electric Bike.
We started Flux because we found one of the ultimate joys of our childhood. At times just felt like a grind. We're on a mission to put the fun back into cycling and more happy riders onto cycles. Flux is simple, just turn it on and go. In pedal assist mode, Flux is exactly like riding a normal bike, just easier and faster. Don't want to pedal? You don't have to. Just push the throttle and you'll speed through the city with no effort at all. The location of the motor is a key factor in making this bike so special. Unlike most electric bikes on the market, which have their motor in the hub, ours is located in between the pedals. This takes mechanical advantage of the bike's Shimano 9-speed gears, meaning you can climb hills easier and hit top speeds quicker. Couple this efficient drivetrain with an industry-crushing 17 amp-hour lithium battery,
and you can flux for 46 miles on full power.
The battery has a key lock for security and can be removed in a second. Take it with you and recharge wherever you want. It even features a USB port, so you can charge all of your devices on the go. By harnessing advanced technology and elegant design, Flux bikes are your wheels for the modern world, giving you the power to zip past traffic, explore further and climb higher than ever before.
We've put these bikes through their paces on the most challenging courses we could find. They're battle tested and designed to take a beating. Stay in control with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Suntour suspension. When you get to the bottom, you can just power back up in record time, ready to go again and again.
We've got 3 exciting models ready for production. We need your help to build critical mass and bring the cost of production down. With your backing and our expertise, we're going to bring you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever.
So stop wasting money on gas, leave the car in the garage, and come flux with us to a more sustainable future. Happy riding, guys. Thanks for watching.